Hi everyone, it's Jonathan and Kitty here with Alfie. Today we're introducing Alfie to the residents of Rosebank. A lot of you might know that a few weeks ago we sadly lost Pippin. Anyway, here's our gorgeous bundle of replacement. This is Alfie, and we're going to introduce Alfie to the residents. So this might go great, it might go terrible, but we're going to see how it goes. Are we excited, Boster?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and do it. You excited, Alfie? Oh yeah, he's very excited. Okay, come on then. Let's see. See how it goes. Oh, I can hear Tom. Oh, all right. You coming in? Hello, Tom. You okay?
Are we going to be taking today?
We might do. We're just introducing. Here's Alfie. Hi, Del. Okay, come on, shoot. Come on. Is that Alfie? Take him into.
Come on. I'm going Thomas. I'll follow you in a minute.
Yeah, it's Alfie.
Alfie.
There's Paul.
Come on, Alfie.
Come on, Alfie.
I'm Thomas.
Has to be lifted. Okay, go on then.
Sorry. Sorry.
Hi everyone. Here's Alfie.
Sorry. I'll be talking about Alfie in the pub.
There he is. Hi mate. Come and meet Alfie. Here he is.
Joseph, there's the new dog.
Hello.
Hello.
Here's Brooke.
Yeah.
Isn't he lovely?
I prove it now.
Right, that's. Oh, here's Joseph. Here's Joseph.
I want to see you.
I won't be getting to the day now.
No, I'll go now.
Very nice.
Thursday.
Hi, Olive. You okay?
I go out
There's our Olive.
today.
Are you?
Yeah,
Oh, isn't that lovely? Well, that's nice.
Mama said out today. That's waiting.
Let's just move in there. There you have it. There's a gorgeous Olive. And Gina and Del with our fish. And there's Nigel and Lizzie and Rosie. And that's good. Lots of activities out, which is what we like. And our rabbits. So there you go. So it's... So lots of fuss going on at Rosebank. I'll see you soon.